Wanda Urban calls it her Polish garden, a garden of discards and curbside finds she created with her brother. The chairs, mirrors, even vintage bricks are arranged on a topsy-turvy slope at the front of her 2-acre property. It's just one feature in a garden of many moods. 45 years ago, she and her husband Joe Urban bought the former apple orchard in Ancaster and started to reclaim it from the wild, building gardens on the curving terrain, adding feature stone, rock walls, and places to dine. Though busy with work and family, they did most of the work themselves, and to this day maintain the grounds and the vintage buildings, remnants of the old farm, with care and respect for history. There are treasures to be discovered and stories from the past, dating back to the building of the old farmhouse in 1837. It's history preserved and celebrated every day. I'm Kathy Renwald for thespec.com.